Kylie Minogue announced her first Las Vegas residency on Thursday, a stint that comes hot on the heels of the singer's runaway hit single Padam Padam and could help the Australian superstar finally crack the US market. Minogue's 3-month residency kicks off November 3rd, and the singer will be the first headliner at the Venetian's new Volte nightclub. The venue reportedly seats around 1,000 people, which will make the show smaller and more intimate affairs than many other high-profile Vegas residencies. The smaller venue is in line with the singer's smaller US profile, which is in stark contrast with her ability to pack stadiums and arenas across Europe, Asia and Australia, where she is often known as just Kylie. Minogue, speaking at a press conference in Los Angeles, promised fans a glamorous and extravagant show featuring old hits, tracks from her upcoming album Tension, and unheard reinterpretations of songs. Minogue said she feels she has earned the right to play a Vegas residency and to really enjoy being there, adding that shows will be a mix of flashy stuff and intimate moments. Tickets will go on sale on August 9th.